How you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good. Dabang, dude. You know what? First of all, I have to say this. As a kid and watching Salman Khan for years, I don't think anyone has done so much justice to his acting and his career. I think that film was made on him. That's how I feel.
I think, the kind of the character that came out, Chulbul Pandey, was a lot of inherent Salman in it altogether, with a certain amount of newness that people didn't see.
Yeah.
And it brought in a lot which people encapsulated in one.
Yeah. I mean, people on the streets know him as that. But to see that in the film, it was just a wonderful thing. And I think it's because his family, you were able to bring that out rather than somebody else who's been working with him.
Yeah, I think,
and it was perfect.
It just worked, and when things work, they just, it just makes a lot of sense. We enjoyed working together.
Yeah.
This characters really looked something that Salman would fit and do it, and then he took it to another level.
Yeah.
And the film turned out good. It's like today we are on the music night. The music of the film was outstanding, and all this became a very big contributing factor to taking the film to the level that it has.
It was funny. I really enjoyed it. Like, it was proper funny.
Yeah.
Now, you've been getting nomination after nomination after nomination. Dude, first film, like, you're killing it. That must be such a good feeling.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, of course, it's a great feeling. I mean, to say nobody in my position is good. Feel bad.
Lot of
about
haters,
it.
right?
Yeah,
Lot of
hate it,
haters.
because otherwise, then you shouldn't be in the business.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
You're doing well. That's the haters are for.
But like I said, I take things in my stride. It's been a great year. It has been a great debut. So it kind of puts a little bit of impetus for me to work hard to do, take it to another level, and that inspires me to do something.
So that takes
more.
me to my next question.
Yeah, do.
What's next?
But I'm working on the sequel.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
we're so looking forward to that.
Yeah. So that's what is keeping me excited, keeping me going.
And how excited are you about GMAs tonight and the awards and the performances?
It's a great occasion. It's in a lovely atmosphere.
Yeah.
So looking forward.
You've been to Kingdom of Dreams before, right?
I've been to Kingdoms of Dream before, but maybe not in an atmosphere like this.
Like this?
Yeah. So I came just for a visit, and it was wonderful. But this is like really dressed up, looking great.
You or not? You
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I was like wondering. I said it's too hot. Am I okay? But then
it's too hot.
I got a thumbs up from the MTV people saying that I think you're fine.
Yeah.
You may be not wearing a suit, but it's fine.
No, you look fabulous. You always look fabulous.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Abbas. Hello, sir. How are you? Thank you for coming. Looking good. So, sir, are you excited about the awards tonight?
बिल्कुल बहुत एक्साइटेड
और कितना excited?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे सच्ची में
क्योंकि म्यूजिक के लिए बहुत
मैं बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि म्यूजिक के लिए ये है जीमा अवार्ड तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है
क्योंकि बॉलीवुड के कितने अवार्ड्स होते हैं फिल्म के कितने अवार्ड्स होते हैं लेकिन म्यूजिक के ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट अवार्ड है आई फील और परफॉर्मेंसेस आर यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू परफॉर्मेंसेस
हाँ पता नहीं अभी अंदर क्या होने वाला है मुझे तो नहीं पता
बहुत मजा होने वाला है सर
बिल्कुल मजा
तो आपको भी मजा आएगा
बहुत मजा
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्पीकिंग विद अस थैंक यू हैव अ गुड नाइट So it's on YouTube. Keep it locked in. We're going to be talking to the biggest celebrities tonight. You know where we are. It's the 2011 Chevrolet GMA Awards with me, Hardcore, and you can check out the dress for the meantime. Okay, when you have no hope left and you think you're all alone and you think the world is a place, there's one man who comes to save you. Raw one, meaning Shah Rukh Khan. How you doing?
Good to see you, darling.
Hey, so you look fabulous all the time. Anyway,
And you also look
with
fabulous.
With your fitted suits and all that,
You also with your fitted dress and all look really, really wonderful, Hardcore. Baby.
Yeah.
Let's find out who's is better. Come on.
I think yours is better.
No,
Yeah,
I like yours.
in the pinchy way, like bird way.
Let me see yours.
Mine's like a big black
Well,
woman.
that's also
like,
nice. Yeah, it's
because Andy in
yours
hip-hop
is
videos.
wholesome.
Yeah, hip-hop videos.
Hip-hop videos.
How excited are you to perform? Everyone's like been telling me, listen, everyone who I speak to, what are you looking forward to tonight? Shah Rukh, Raw one, yeah. So this is going to be so big for you.
I'm performing with Ranveer, who's done a little comic little thing, which says from Chaiya Chaiya to Chamak Chalo. So he's going to teach me how to dance to the songs, and he's a great dancer, so it'll be fun. And then I'm doing.
Come on, I'm going to teach you how to dance. You already know how to dance.
See, darling, I have to be humble. I'm so great.
Okay.
So I
YouTube
played like
fans,
that,
you
yeah.
know,
You
they're live.
Yeah.
It's live.
And then after that, I'll try and do a bit of criminal. I've just flown in from Hyderabad, so I have my excuse that I can't dance, and I've got a broken knee and stuff.
And
but I'll try
biryani
my
and
best,
stuff.
and biryani and stuff. Yeah, so I'm like really tired, but I'll try my best.
Okay, and you know, GMA Awards, it's like the most important for us musicians.
Yes.
You know, you see a lot of film awards, right? How important is it for the music awards to happen for the musicians? Because for this,
I think it is the
it's
most
so
important, and I'm so glad that Kingdom of Dreams, GMA, all the people who are organizing this it's a wonderful move, because I truly believe, especially Indian films, I think all films, but Indian films especially depend a lot on the music part of our films.
Yeah.
Whether there's this thing like Chamak Chalo or any other song, Kya was a song Party Abhi Baki Hai.
Oi, hoi!
Man.
YouTube, did you just hear that? Shahrukh just said party abhi baki hai.
This is my song. Sing for me now 1 second.
4 baj gaye, lekin party abhi baki hai.
My favorite song.
Thank you so
Awesome it
much.
is. So I really honestly, yeah. And so you know, all songs, music that we have in our films is so important. And all of you, you're wonderful people, beautiful people, in every which way. But you stay behind the scenes.
Yeah.
And it's important that somebody brings you upstage and says, look, these are the guys who are responsible for everything, from party to Chamak Chalo, from Tujhe Dekha.
Yeah.
And make it sound so good. Yeah. So thank you so much. I think it's the least anyone can do from the film industry, from all the events and stuff that happens, that we should honor all the musicians, technicians, and singers.
And it's so wonderful to have you here. This venue, Kingdom of Dreams. I'm like, who thought GMAs would be here tonight?
And I'm thrilled to be in Kingdom of Dreams. It's such a fantastic place. I'm the brand ambassador, but I don't speak in that capacity. I became a brand ambassador because I think it's an awesome thing. I think the most modern facility of theatre, and I'm a theatre guy.
And
I
it's
wish I
big.
was younger.
I'm gonna
It's
sit
just
on the
fantastic.
elephant soon as well.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. Not in this cab, but maybe tomorrow morning.
Okay, but I'll come and see your backside
Okay,
from there.
before you go, I need that one Chamak Chalo.
Okay, but you have to, how to say it? तू मेरी चमक छल्लो तरना 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 मुझे गाया नहीं जाता गा के आप कहो ना
Okay.
हाँ
You are my Chamak Chalo. And I need just the auto tune.
Huh?
You are my Chamak Chalo.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Auto tune, auto tune.
वो क्या होती है?
अभी एक on.
Oh,
You
okay.
are my Chamak
Oh,
Chalo.
okay, so
You are
my
my
चमक छल्लो अनना आजा रे नच के दिखा दे आ मेरी होले आजा पर्दा गिरा दे आ मेरी अखियों से अखियां मिला ले हाँ तू ना नकले दिखा wanna be my चमक छल्लो
Well, who doesn't want to be your Chamak Chalo? Ladies and gentlemen, Shah Rukh Khan, Raw 1, GMA Awards 2011. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, God bless you.
I'm going
And you're looking
to
lovely.
see you inside.
God
Thank you
bless.
so much. And that is it. I told you I got the best celebrities coming with me. So forget all the other interviews. This is where it's at. YouTube, Chevrolet, GMA Awards 2011. We are on, baby. Hardcore. Keep it locked. मैं आपकी वेट कर रही हूँ आए हाय देखो 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 I'm not even gonna introduce her. She's gonna introduce herself right now. Sing it for me, baby.
Hardcore is matching with my purse. And she is also a singer, I'm also a singer. Guess what? ये hard है और मैं soft हूँ. ये famous है मैं बदनाम हूँ. मैं मुन्नी बदनाम हूँ.
Please sing a
ममता
few
शर्मा.
lines, please.
Along with you. मजा आएगा.
मैं तो
चलो.
dance करूँगी ना.
हाँ चलो. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए.
बस मेरे लिए.
बिल्कुल exclusive.
There's a lot of people going crazy for you right now.
Thank you so much.
You'll be live on YouTube right now for all the fans are watching.
Thank you
उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, especially music के लिए और GMA Awards के लिए?
Keep rocking, keep listening good music, and always keep up your good music with your ears.
Yeah, keep listening to the good music.
Yeah.
Yeah, support the music and support GMA Awards.
Right.
Thank you, Mamta.
Thank you too.
Have a good evening.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Move your body, baby. Move your body, baby. Move your body, baby. Chatukuriya. That was a Bezura one.
No, that was a lovely one. Shakir, where you going? You gotta come back. This is live on YouTube.
I thought it's live on YouTube.
Live on YouTube. All the fans, listen. I gotta say, the only reason I'm here in front of you guys is because of these three guys, okay?
The only reason that we are here in front of you is because of her.
No, don't say that. Yeah, you are actually because of the interview, right?
Exactly. That was a mean joke, I'm telling
That was a
you.
mean joke. It's okay. Shankar's my favorite. Shankar and Loy is my favorite. We'll leave Ehsan for a minute. Guys, you've got nominated. You're performing tonight. You must be so excited. How are you feeling?
Are we nominated?
I am. I've seen it. Of course you are. Of course you are. Oh, girl. You're mine.
Are we?
You didn't read them. Doesn't matter.
We
It's
are
YouTube.
performing. We are
It's
performing,
YouTube. It's
though.
live. It's fine.
We're performing though, so we're very excited about that.
And to your fans who are watching all across the world on YouTube Live today.
Yeah, this is really a special occasion for us because today's performance is something fantastic because we're performing with the Shillong Choir. And, they, I feel, are one of the most talented choirs in this country. And, this is a great medium. Jima is a great medium where we can present this choir and the country and the whole world can watch them. So it's going to be really a great thing. And also, we have completed 15 years, so...
Yes, we was there. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. 15 years these guys have been together. I think that's longer than any husband and wife these days. Loy, we know that Dr. Lisa is doing really well. You must be such a proud dad right now.
Yes, I'm good. I'm feeling good, and hope she stays focused.
She will. She's been doing wonderful. My favorite song by Shankar, well, by Shankar San Loy, but sang by Shankar, is Jhoom Barabar. Please, 2 lines, please.
उड़ती उड़ती अखियों के लड़ गए पांचे लड़ गए वे ढीक लगा के झूम 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 बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम.
That's the first time we met during Jhoom Barabar Jhoom. So, respect to Shahid Ali. Thank you guys. I hope you have a wonderful evening and wonderful performance. I'll be looking forward to you. Guys, you can check that exclusively on Colors coming very soon. And that was Shankar Zan Loy. My first song in Bollywood was Move Your Body with these guys. I've considered myself very, very lucky girl to be doing that track. How you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic.
How are you doing? You're looking good.
Thank you. So are you. Are we going to
I'm
perform
really
the song?
sweaty right now.
I'm going to do the lip sync and she's going to do the
Okay,
song.
which song?
Sing us.
Okay. 1 for the treble, 2 for the bass. Singers in the place, you better watch this place. 1 for the treble, 2 for the bass. Singers in the place, you better watch this place. Chalamar, shut up, bye.
Okay, that's as much as I do usually.
How you doing?
I'm feeling great. I'm doing well. Looking forward to co-hosting tonight.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, I a lot of my friends in UK and America are just like, yo, that girl in India, she's a Bollywood star, yeah. Her name is something, Neha something. I mean, Neha Dubia. Yo, she's hot, yo. And I knew that you were obviously in Genuine's video as well.
Yes.
But you do such different work when it comes to like films.
Yeah,
Personally, I think you're very underrated. People need to give you more love, yo.
That's always a good thing, being underrated. People have no expectations. You surprise them and boom.
Yeah. And what's so exciting about Jima for you, especially tonight?
I think Global Indian Music Awards, fantastic. Wizcraft is the only people who could have done it. Just getting this whole show together. I think it's high time that music and musicians, beyond becoming a voice, they become a face and be brought to a level that the entire nation knows them. And I'm really excited about it tonight.
Well, you're looking fabulous, and
Thank
I hope
you.
you have a
So
wonderful
are you.
evening.
Thank you.
Darling.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Have a good evening. Okay, I have one of my classical favorites. I used to be school, and I used to listen to a lot of your songs, and I'm gonna bug her to sing one of my favorites. Ladies and gentlemen, Kavita Krishnamurthy, please, if you're at home, make some noise. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Thank you so much. How are you feeling tonight?
Very, very excited. First, let me compliment you, Sachi. You're looking very pretty. और जीमा अवार्ड्स म्यूजिशियंस के लिए यहाँ इज्जत रिस्पेक्ट बहुत खुशी very, very happy to be here.
And you're also nominated.
Yes, I'm nominated, and that, of course, I always leave it to God. And happy to be performing a little bit. And the best thing is to be part of the music fraternity, to be with my fellow musicians, to be with gurus, with my family, and my daughter is nominated for an English award.
Wow!
I hope, I'm praying for her success too.
Before I actually call her on, a personal thing. I know you're nominated for something else, but I grew up listening to you a lot. And I remember one song that you have to sing for me, which was from Hum.
Which one? Which song?
Oh, Tiger! Mere Janima, you sang.
Oh,
You
Juma
sang.
Juma.
Yes, please, just 2 lines. You're on YouTube, exclusive. Ladies and gentlemen, England, America, Canada, where you are. Kavita Krishnamurthy is going to drop exclusive line to you.
What a contradiction, no?
Yeah.
In this sari and now singing Juma Juma.
No, I love that. You are amazing in everything you do.
जुम्मे के दिन किया जुम्मे का वादा जुम्मे को तोड़ दिया जुम्मे का वादा करता जा जुम्मा जमा करता जा जुम्मा जमा जुम्मा चुम्मा दे दे जुम्मा chumma de de chumma.
You are rocking. I love you. Thank you so much. Hope you have a wonderful evening.